This has a Jharkhand's address. Now will I look for her now? Whenever she meets me, she leaves something behind. First the cycle, now the bag. She's so busy talking rubbish that she forgets what's important.
We are late again. Aunt Mira called me and asked about you. Now let's take an auto rickshaw and go home quickly. What happened? What are you thinking?
Shobha, there's a problem.
What happened now?
Shobha, I forgot my bag in that boy's car. The one, Jamshedpur one. The one who held the shoe. What was his name? Arjun Agarwal. I forgot my bag in his car.
How careless are you? How could you be so irresponsible, Dia?
Shobha, I forgot about it as I was looking for the first aid.
Let's do one thing. Tell Aunt Mira that you forgot your bag at the academy. No. Tell her that you misplaced it.
Shobha, if mom finds out that all the important documents were in that bag, she will kill me. No. Anyway, my mom doesn't know that I took the documents because I'm looking for a job.
Look, as far as I know, you won't get your bag back. What's wrong with you, Dia? Why do you talk to strangers all the time? Yesterday, you helped that old woman, and today, that boy. You bandaged his wounds. Dia, this is Kolkata. It'll be better if you stay away from these rich people. And thankfully, your phone was next to you.
It got switched off. Shobha, give me your phone and hold this.
I haven't done anything wrong. I never cheated. I didn't take any drugs.
Someone help me!
Do you hear me? I did not take drugs.
Dia, what are you looking at?
Shobha, this is that same boy, Arjun Agarwal. Remember I told you I met him in Jamshedpur on the day of my tournament? He helped me a lot, Shobha. Shobha, I don't know why he has been accused of something like this. But my heart still wants me to trust him. I could see the truth in his eyes when he asked those questions. Shobha, Uncle Radhu also said that he is not a bad man. His circumstances were bad. Now Shobha, tell me, he used to be a famous badminton player, but now he's accused of taking drugs. Then what will he do? Shobha, he's not a bad person. Though he behaves like he hates badminton today, but I can see the love he has for the sport in his eyes. Shobha, I don't think he's a bad man. I can see the truth in his eyes.
Forget it. What do you want me to say? Sometimes I feel like I live at a circus. And this Arjun is the ringmaster of the circus. Makes everyone dance to his tunes. I am fed up with this daily drama.
Deepika? Deepika? Dear, where is Deepika? Deepika?
Listen, I'll call you later.
Deepika! Do you know where Arjun is? I'm really worried for him.
Mom, please calm down. You will fall sick if you take so much stress.
My, I'm worried about Arjun. I don't care about myself. My son must have injured himself. I don't know where he is.
Mom, Kush, where is Kush? Did he speak to Arjun? No, Mom, Kush, my dear, Kush, my dear Kush. Where is Kush? Do you know
Yes,
where he
Mom.
went?
Look, Kush went to pick Arjun from the academy. Didn't you tell him to do so? Huh? Anyway, Mom, but why are you so worried? I mean, you should have grown used to it by now. Because this has been happening for the last 5 years now. Arjun loves to get on our nerves while spending dad's money. He's been drinking for the last 5 years.
Niharika! Arjun is the son of this family. He is the brother of Love and Kush. How could you say such things about him?
Mom, did I say something wrong? No one is at peace because of him, huh? He created a scene at the engagement party yesterday and today at the academy. And that girl is the icing on the cake, Mom. I'm sure everyone must be wondering about the relationship between Arjun and that girl.
There's no relationship.
This is impossible. Once I set foot in someone's house, there will be wedding bells around the corner. Mr. Mukherjee, you should start making the wedding preparations. The suitors' family told me that they like Diya. They want to meet Diya in person.
Really?
My dear Diya, the suitors' family really liked you. But Mr. Mukherjee, Diya has to be more understanding now. Huh?
Yes.
She has to go to someone else's house now. Even if her in-laws are modern, they won't let their daughter-in-law get a job. Am I right, Mr. Mukherjee? Absolutely.
You're absolutely right. Divya stays at home most of the times. She went to buy some books for her exams. There's something I don't understand. If you don't want to watch TV, why did you turn it on? Our electric bill is so high for this month. The amount due is 750 rupees. Meera, come to the kitchen.
Today in Kolkata Badminton Academy, badminton star Karan Mathur was bombarded with questions.
This is the news about
He
that
has
academy.
been accused of
Good
fraud.
gracious.
And the one
If
who
Dad sees
accused
the
him
news,
is none
he
other
won't
than
spare me. And this
ex-badminton
lady,
player
if
Arjun
she sees
Agarwal,
this news,
who was
she will
banned
surely
from
instigate my dad.
badminton because
What will I do
of
now?
drugs.
Sadhna, I'm handing Diya over to you. Once the suitors meet her on Sunday, then I give you all the responsibility to take things forward.
I'll handle everything.
Arey, why are you standing in front of the TV? Go to your room. You must be tired. Get some rest.
Dad, Aunt is absolutely right. We shouldn't waste electricity at all. Am I right, Aunt?
Obviously. And these news reporters just love to talk nonsense about anything and everything. They love to talk about drama all day, every day. Diya, listen to me, dear. I want to watch my series.
Yes, Aunt. I'll do it right away. I'll do it right now.
Yeah, do it.
He's my son. How could he not be good at sports? Just like me.
Diya, did you hear your aunt? Move from there.
One day he will play for the Indian cricket team.
Look, Aunt. I tuned into your favorite show. Enjoy it, okay?
He's not a bad man. His circumstances were bad.
That was a narrow escape. Had I not reacted on time, I don't know what would have happened.
Arjun would never fall for someone other than me. And as far as that girl is concerned, I don't think Arjun knows her for a long time. Had they known each other, we would have surely met her before. But when that girl came home that day, it didn't seem that she knew our Arjun for a long time.
I felt that girl was kind and understanding. If she had something in her mind, she would have surely told us.
Grandma, girls like her are quite cunning. Please don't get fooled by her appearance. What I think is that she already knew you were Arjun's grandma. Otherwise, why did she come all the way home? She could have dropped and left you.
Grandma, did she say something to you? Where she lives or what she does? She must have said something.
Yes, she did. She said something about Bhawanipur area. That was that school name. Near the model school. She lives near model school. She recently moved to Kolkata.
Grandma, are you sure about that?
How can you question my grandmother's memory? I think grandma's talking about that girl who was with me at the academy. Thank you, Grandma. Actually, I wanted that girl's address too. She left her things and I had to return them.
Arjun, tell me, what are you doing? Why do you do such things? What was the need? What was the need to go to the academy again and create a ruckus? Do you not care about your mom? Answer me. Do you not care about your mom? Then why do you keep stressing me out all the time? Now I'll really fall sick one day, dear. What do you want? Want me to die? You'll learn all your lessons after I die.
Mom, nothing's happened to me and nothing will happen to you. I'm right in front of you. I'm okay.
No, you're not okay. You're not okay. They thrashed you mercilessly. We all saw it on the TV. Deepika, get the first aid box right now and call up the doctor quickly.
Okay, Mom.
Mom, I told you that I was okay. There's no need for this. I'm okay. Yes, those security guards beat me up, but I wasn't feeling anything. I'm okay. When Karan Mathur is in front of me, I don't feel any pain.
Mom?
Yes, dear. Give it to me.
Mom, I told you, Deepika, I don't need this. I'm okay. And when otherwise, that girl tended to my wounds.
Wow, Arjun, wow. She was tending to your wounds and we were all getting stressed out at home. We also live here, Arjun. And you have embarrassed Dad yet again. Mr. Khurana has come to Kolkata. He has called Dad for a meeting. I wonder what he must be thinking. As always, the family's prestige doesn't matter to you. You don't care, right? Huh?
Arjun.
Niharika, if the family prestige matters to you, it's okay. I have no problem with that. Grandma, what were you saying? That girl had come home with you.
On the day of the party, that day, before the party had started, I'd gone to the bank to get Amitabh some gold coins from the locker. While I was coming back, I felt sick all of a sudden and that girl helped me. You know, she dropped me home. But she said that she had to come to Kolkata only a couple of days back. Then where did you meet her?
Jamshedpur.
Jamshedpur?
Yes, Grandma. I gave her a lift in Jamshedpur. She plays badminton, so I dropped her at the stadium. And that very day I met Karan Mathur too. By the way, what was the girl talking a lot? She's very talkative, especially questions. She asks a lot of questions. Anyway, it's good that I got the address. I have to return the bag. Grandma, what were you saying? It's across which school?
In front of modern school.
Modern school. Okay, Grandma. Thank you.
Arjun, dear Arjun, don't go. Arjun!
By the look on your face, it seems you got scolded by Sir. How is Mr. Khurana? Did you thank him on my behalf? Just shut up! Don't cross your limits now. There's no use shouting. When you had to say that your son was innocent, you said nothing. You didn't say anything that day. You remained quiet. So that's what you'll do now. Exactly that. With all due respect, you better keep your mouth shut. Tina, come inside, it's important.
Until he gets married to Tina, Arjun won't mend his ways. Tina is the only one who can keep Arjun away from all this. Did you get the address?
No, not yet. There's no profile on the internet for an Arjun Agarwal. If I don't find my bag, I'll be in very serious trouble. All my important documents are in it. Even Dad had given me some important papers. Dad's bank passbook was also in that bag. I don't know what to do now.
Dia, we need to think of a solution. That man is no stranger.
Shobha, I have an idea. I'll go to the academy. That man over there, what's his name? That man, I forgot his name. Mr. Radhu. I'll take Arjun's address from him.
You'll go to the academy again.
I will have to go, right? I don't seem to have another option. Shobha, what if I run into Karan Mathur over there? He might recognize me and even help me.
Alright, but once you get your bag, you're never going to talk to that man again. I find him really strange. He fights with everyone. Who knows what other trouble he might cause?
Karan Mathur! Hey! I'll come again!
Leave him. Let him go. Let him go. Shobha, I don't think he is anything like what you think of him. Shobha, he has helped me a lot in the past. And he thinks that Karan Mathur has a hand in getting him banned from playing badminton. Shobha, actually he's not mad at badminton. All his hatred is just towards Karan Mathur. Think about it. it's possible that he's innocent and that he was really framed and that.
You are thinking too much about him. Think about the bag and forget about him. And we'll have to tell Aunt about this.
What must you tell me?
Bhawanipur. What was the name of the school? Modern High School. Modern High School. Ramesh Mitra Lane. It shows a right turn from here. Don't think it's too far, it's close. Right.
Dia, will you say something? Why are you quiet?
Mom, actually, Mom, there's a problem, Mom.
What?
Mom.
Hold on a minute. Shut the door, dear. What's the matter?
Mom, I forgot my bag, Mom.
Where did you forget it?
Mom, in that man's car.
Dia, I don't follow a single word you're saying. Which man? Whose car?
Mom, do you remember that man who dropped Dad back home at the Jamshedpur quarters? The one in whose car I forgot my cycle and the one who saved me from the goons? Mom, I actually forgot my bag in his car.
Where did you run into him, Dia?
Mom, I